Position sizing. Hello, my amazing friends. I am Mansi, your friend, your guide, and a total stock market enthusiast. Welcome to my podcast, The Secret to Winning in Trading. Today, we are diving into a game changing topic that can make or break your trading journey: position sizing. What is it? Why does it matter? And how can it lead you to consistent profits? Buckle up, because we are about to embark on an exciting, life-changing ride. एक गाड़ी आई zoom करके. Let's start with a story. Last year, I met Rohan, a new trader bursting with energy. He had a knack for picking stocks and a hunger to conquer the markets. But guess what? He kept losing money. I asked, Rohan, what's going on? Your stock picks are great. He confessed he was putting his entire capital in one trade. My jaw dropped. Oh my God! That was his biggest mistake: wrong position sizing. Today we'll uncover why position sizing is the secret weapon every trader needs. Grab your notebooks, get comfy, and let's dive in. Step by step. What is position sizing and why it matters? Let's see what is position sizing. Position sizing is about deciding how much money to put into a single trade. It's the key to managing your risk. Done right, it keeps you in the game even if you hit a few losses. Done wrong, it can wipe out your account faster than you can say bull market. Example. Imagine you have 1 lakh rupees. If you invest 50,000 in one stock and it drops 10%, you lose 5,000 rupees. But if you put your entire 1 lakh rupees in and it drops 10%, that's a 10,000 loss. If this happens repeatedly, your account could vanish. The golden rule of position sizing. Here's the golden rule of trading. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital on a single trade. If you have 1 lakh rupees, your risk per trade should be 1,000 to 2,000 rupees, no more. Formula. Position size is equal to account size into risk percentage divided by stop loss percentage. Example. Account size 1 lakh rupees. Risk per trade 1%, यानी 1,000 rupees. Stop loss 5%, यानी 5% अगर स्टॉक ड्रॉप हो गया तो आप एग्जिट कर जाएंगे. पोजीशन साइज इज इक्वल टू 1 लाख रुपीज इंटू 0.01 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.05 equal to 20,000 rupees. So you invest 20,000 rupees in that stock. If it falls 5%, you lose only 1,000 rupees. Your risk is controlled. The dangers of wrong position sizing. I've seen it time and again. New traders bet their entire capital on one trade. Why? They think this stock is going to the moon. But the market isn't that predictable. Volatility is real. And if you overcommit, a single bad trade can crush your account and your confidence. My friend Sanjay once put 80% of his capital into one stock, thinking it was a sure shot bet. The market crashed and he lost 60% of his money. He was so shaken that he quit trading altogether. If he'd used proper position sizing, he'd still be in the game. Benefits of proper position sizing. Risk control. Limits your losses to a manageable amount. Longevity. Keeps you in the market for the long haul. Confidence boost. Small losses won't scare you. Profit potential. Helps you maximize gains over time. When I started trading, I made the same mistake. I'd put 30 to 40% of my capital in one trade. Once I lost 50% of my account in a single crash. That day, I vowed to master position sizing. I adopted the 1% rule and now I trade with confidence no matter the market conditions. How to apply position sizing? Set your risk. Stick to 1 to 2% risk per trade. Use a stop loss. Always set a stop loss. It's your safety net. Calculate. Use the formula to determine your position size. Stay disciplined. No matter how tempting a stock looks, stick to your rules. Example. You want to buy a stock at 100 with a stop loss at 95, yani 5% drop. Your account is 2 lakh rupees and you're risking 1%, 2000 rupees. Position size is equal to 2 lakh rupees into 0.01 divided by 0.05 equal to 40,000 rupees. So you can buy 40,000 rupees worth of stock, yani 400 shares. If the stock hits 95 rupees, you lose only 2,000 rupees. Your risk is controlled. The psychological edge. Trading is 80% psychology. Wrong position sizing fuels fear, greed, and panic. When you risk too much, every market tick feels like a heart attack. But with proper position sizing, you stay calm. You think, it's just a 1% loss, no big deal. This mindset helps you make better decisions. Inspiration from the greats. Warren Buffett, the world's greatest investor, lives by this mantra. Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. He uses position sizing to protect his capital. If he can do it, you can too. Now it's time for practical tips for success. Practice with paper trading. Test position sizing in a demo account before using real money. Keep a trading journal. Record every trade, risk, profit, loss. Start small. If you're new, risk just 5% per trade. Read the market. In volatile markets, use smaller position sizes. Avoid greed. Don't think, I'll make it all in one trade. That's a recipe for disaster. My advice, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. With proper position sizing, you'll build your profits steadily and stay in the game. My dear friends, trading isn't just about making money. It's a journey of mastering your emotions, your fears, and your dreams. Proper position sizing is your best friend on this journey. It protects you from losses and paves the way for wins. Remember, when I learned this lesson, it transformed my trading. I stopped fearing small losses. I learned that staying in the market is the real victory, and I want you to experience that victory too. So promise me today, Khao Ma Kasam, you will follow the 1 to 2% rule, you will always use a stop loss, you will trade with discipline. One small request. If you loved this episode, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me. Let's conquer the markets together. See you in the next episode. Until then, trade smart, love big and stay supercharged. Bye-bye.